In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete trading history in Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know how to clear those trade markers from your chart so your workspace looks clean and focused without affecting your actual account records. Start by opening Metatrader 5. Make sure you're logged into the account and have at least one chart open so you can see the results as you go. Next, press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard. That opens the toolbox, sometimes called the terminal, usually docked at the bottom of the platform. If you don't see it, press the shortcut again to toggle it on. Inside the toolbox, click the History tab. This is where Metatrader lists your completed activity, orders, and deals with timestamps, prices, and symbols. You can sort columns to find exactly what you need, and if your list is long, remember you can filter by symbol or date range to narrow things down before you clear the visuals from your chart. Now choose the item or range you want to target. Think of this as identifying the trades whose on-chart markers you want to remove. Selecting a specific deal helps you stay organized, especially if you have many symbols open. Keep in mind, what we're doing here is removing the trade markers from the chart, not deleting broker side history. Your account records and reports remain intact. Right-click on your selected item in the History tab to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick actions tied to your historical entries. Hover your mouse over Show on Charts. This option controls how trades appear visually, those arrows and dotted lines that mark entries and exits. From that submenu, click Delete All Deals. Metatrader will remove the trade markers associated with those deals from the chart, instantly decluttering your view. If you're not seeing the changes, make sure you have an open chart for the same symbol linked to the selected history, and that you're looking at the chart where the trades were originally plotted. A quick note so there's no confusion. This process cleans the chart visuals only. It won't erase your trading records from the server, and it won't change your analytics or statements. If you need to review performance later, everything is still available in the History tab and in your reports. When you're done, you can press Ctrl plus T again to hide the toolbox and maximize chart space. That's it. You've removed the clutter from your charts while keeping your official history safe and accessible. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.